This is Urs Hotzle. He manages the technical infrastructure at Google. This is Urs Hotzle in 1999, when he also managed the technical infrastructure at Google.
My first business card actually said search engine mechanic because my job was fixing things that were broken. And the problem was hard because really everything was broken and it was just about fixing the thing that's most broken. To people, sometimes the internet seems kind of like it's nowhere. You know, I'm using my phone and then here's wireless and I don't really see anything. But when it comes to a search engine, when it comes to a data center, these are really physical, big machines, so to speak. A data center actually is conceptually very simple. It's a building with lots and lots of servers. And that's really it. So in Dublin, we have one of the data center campuses. It's actually one of the smaller ones.
I think it's the smallest data center we have.
We're considered the baby data center of the fleet. We're
Quite small.
Quite the snowflake.
Actually, this is quite big. For any other company, this is bewildering. This is just not a thing.
This is Philip, Kevin, James, Daniel, Petra, and the crew we hired to film them. And this is where they and all their coworkers work. The Google Data Center in Dublin, Ireland.
The scale of what we do here can be kind of crazy.
Millions of searches a day goes through those machines. That's why they're very loud and they produce loads of heat. That means they're constantly working, constantly answering your queries.
And so how do we really store the web, so to speak? The way to think about it is we take the internet, download it, index it, and chop it into small pieces. And then each server has a small piece. All of these servers for that data center work together to each search their little part of the internet.
And it literally takes millions of servers and hard drives to be able to support the world's websites.
So each of these data centers has a complete copy of the web.
So if you're in France or if you're in South Africa, you're not sending a query that goes through the wires, underwater cables, and comes to Mountain View, ask that question, then we send it back. That's just not possible. That's never going to work as a solution that's fast.
How it actually works is if you go into Google and you type in a search, then we direct your query to the data center that is closest. And so that's actually the reason why we have data centers everywhere, because we want to be close to the users that we're serving.
Because that's the only way to get you the most accurate response as fast as possible.